Alright guys, welcome back to my channel. This is Arcee Loft. I finally moved my kit box over. Ever since I moved from New Jersey, I used to have it in my carport. And I finally got a chance to move it. So I got it next to my loft. So now I can start putting the young birds in here and start training them. I had to get this little cart just to move it because I had a lawn. And it's kind of hard. The grass is soft. It rained a lot. So this is it. This is the kit box I had in New Jersey. Now I don't need these front doors because it's not cold over here. In New Jersey I had to close it because of the winter. But I got louvers on here on the side. Louvers in the back. And another louver here for air circulation. Now these doors, like I said, these wooden doors I'm going to take off. And I got screen doors inside. So I had this box set both ways. So I had these bifold doors. I'm going to open one door, won't take us much space. And I can take this door off and just leave the screen doors on. So again, this was my kit box from New Jersey. And now I could start putting my young birds in here and hopefully start training them. I see the bird of prey, I see the Cooper hawk a lot. I just don't hope you don't bother me. Well, this video I'm going to continue with the young birds. I'll show you the young birds outside in the cage and then I'll put them in here so you can see them. Alright? Thanks for watching and I'll see you soon. Alright guys, this is one of the 220 youngsters. You see how big they got already. Like I said, I just moved the kit box, so from here I'm going to put them in the kit box and hopefully start training within a week or two. But this is one of the young ones. Now, they're not used to being in a small cage. They came out of the big loft, so they're like a little anxious in here. Here's another. Yeah, they were ready for at least 2 weeks ago to start flying them. But like I said earlier previously, I just moved the kit box today. So I gotta try to rush it. Hopefully I don't lose anything. So from here they're gonna go right into the kit box. This is another one of the 2020 young birds. Like I said, they seem, just put them in this little cage just to take a picture of them. They seem a little wild because they're not used to being in a small cage. I just took them out of the big kit box. I mean, out of the big loft. But they're looking good as they're getting older. Let's get another. There's another. Come on. This is a younger one. Stands really nice. Should be a good one. Now this guy, when he molts out, it should look like the parents. The bird's gonna look really nice once it changes the plumage. Now this guy's gonna be really nice when he gets older. Come on. This is going to be a dun white bars. The way the lighting looks doesn't make them look any good. But these are dun white bars. It's a shame he has those white flights on the one side. Oh, that would have been really nice. But she, this is going to turn out to be a hen. Okay, here are the young ones inside the kit box. And of course, this is the first day in the kit box. When I open the door, one of them flies out from the cage. Oh, let's see if he comes down or he is taken by the hawk. Let's see what happens. So again, thanks for watching, and I keep you guys posted on the birds. I got third round already. Some are starting to hatch, and some hatched already about a week ago. I guess those I record another 2 weeks or so. And this side I got another baby one. Baby white. What spotted the young one that came out on me? He's on the tree. He's up there. I just hope he comes down. Like I said, this is his first time he's seen the outside world besides from the coop. And if you just straight down, the coop's there. So I'm hoping before it gets dark, he'll drop down from up there and down here, and I can catch him with a net. I just hope for the best. He's one of my South African birds too. The nicer one, the one that has the white tail and white flights. But it is what it is. If he comes down, I can catch him. I'll try. If it's not, well, hopefully he comes down tomorrow without being picked up. Hi guys, again, thanks for watching, and see you in the next video.